Welcome to the bustling metropolis of waste management solutions, Dumpsters City Incorporated, where we redefine the art of disposal with unparalleled sophistication. At Dumpsters City Incorporated, we don't just offer dumpster rentals, we provide an experience that transforms roll-off dumpster rental in Portland, Oregon, into a seamless and efficient endeavor. Dumpsters City Incorporated stands as a beacon of efficiency in the cluttered landscape of disposal services. Whether you're undertaking a residential cleanup, a commercial construction project, or a community-wide endeavor, our diverse range of dumpsters caters to every disposal need, making waste removal as smooth as a stroll through the city's well-planned streets. Choose Dumpsters City Incorporated, where every dumpster is a cornerstone of our commitment to providing top-tier rental services. Dial 503-303-8634 to embark on a journey through the avenues of cleanliness and organization, where every dumpster is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Navigate the streets of waste management easily by visiting our digital hub, www.dumpsterscity.com. Join the satisfied customers who have discovered the perfect blend of sophistication and efficiency in our dumpster rental offerings. In the heart of Portland, Oregon, Dumpsters City Incorporated is not just a service, it's the pulse of waste management excellence, ensuring your cleanup projects reach new heights in cleanliness and order.